Now, I am learning how to make bread out of Play-Doh.
Okay.
So, first you pat it down a little bit, then cut lines, then we're going to make more.
Okay.
Little. So I take a piece of this. Maybe I should take more. Then I roll it up. And then I roll it a little bit until it gets smooth. Oh, yeah. And you just pat the spread down. Then you pat the spread down. Am I I can see. Then you cut it. And well, that's not very good. But
Why? Let me see. Does it look like a loaf?
no. See?
I think that's lovely.
Maybe I should make a do-over, Mom.
A do-over? Okay.
I will be back. So we're going to start over again. We pat it down. Then just cut lines. Even better.
Even better. Love it.
And then we're going to make about, I think, 3 more or 4. However much the Play-Doh ends.
And can you tell me a little bit about this right here?
This I made out of the Play-Doh. It's my family.
Great.
That's why.